Good day to you, wherever you may be joining me from. I welcome you to today's XAUUSD Technical Analysis video. Last week was quite rewarding as we seized over 1,000 pips in profit, riding that uptrend continuation structure we identified on the chart. For a detailed breakdown of each entries during the previous week, feel free to catch up via the link provided in the description below or by clicking the link at the top right hand corner of your screen if you're watching on my YouTube channel. Last week we witnessed gold prices climbing to a new record high amidst uncertainty surrounding the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision. Despite this, robust figures from the US, including a strong March Nonfarm Payroll report, may delay any rate cuts by the Federal Reserve, contrary to market expectations, hereby capping the upside momentum on this commodity. However, the ongoing geopolitical tensions in the Middle East may continue to cast a shadow of uncertainty on the market sentiment. So in this video, we shall be interpreting the behavioral patterns of market participants on the charts by leveraging our basic tools such as the economic calendar, trend lines, key levels, and chart patterns to anticipate potential price movements in the week ahead. Before we proceed, it's crucial to emphasize that this presentation is designed for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. While our goal is to enhance your understanding of price action analysis, it's crucial to acknowledge the inherent risk associated with Forex trading. Exercise caution and consider seeking guidance from a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Without further ado, let's delve into the details. So it is important that we acknowledge the significance of the current price action residing within an all-time record high zone, and this uncharted territory usually breeds a sense of fear and uncertainty amongst market participants. And coupled with the fundamentals behind the scenes, we may see a trigger of profit-taking activities as investors seek to capitalize on gains and mitigate risk. So in that regard, we shall be focusing on the 4 hours time frame for the upcoming week. And right here on the 4 hours time frame, what I did was to take into consideration the character of price action in the last couple of weeks, and this was what I was able to come up with. In fact, it is quite obvious that the momentum has been very bullish, and in fact, after connecting the series of higher lows here, we have a couple of ascending trend lines to guide our trading activities for this week. And of course, you know how we use our ascending trend lines in this community. As long as price action remains above them, we want to be looking out for patterns and structures that support the idea of buying that asset. Now, in addition to this ascending trend line is my key level for this week, which was broken during the course of last week's trading session, and I have it right at the psychological level of the $2,300 area. And as you will see, prior to the breakout that happened last week, this area here has been a strong selling niche, as you will see here, before we finally saw the breakout of the structure on Friday's trading session. Now, as it is right now, with a breakout of a significant structure, theory tells us that it is likely that price may come back into the structure, which interestingly shares a confluence with that first ascending trend line you see here, where depending on how price reacts to the structure will determine what our next line of action will be. Are we going to see buy pressure resume from this area again to continue the uptrend scenario, or are there chances that price action will break down both the ascending trend line and the 2,300 key level to incite a sell-off to the downside. And the third perspective I will be looking at around this area is the possibility of an uptrend continuation pattern where this bullish impulsive move could transition into something like a bullish rectangle or a flag pattern, leading to a successful breakout of that all-time high at the $2,330 level to incite an uptrend move for us. So you can see how crucial this area is, and during the early hours of Monday's session, we are going to be looking forward to see how the market will be reacting to this all-time high area to decide what our next line of action will be. However, before I close this video, it is important that we also keep tabs with the fundamental factors that may influence the sentiment in the market this week. And by monitoring the economic calendar, we tend to pinpoint potential correlations between key economic releases and specific technical patterns on the chart. So for this week, considering the economic features from the United States, we are going to be looking at a handful of these events. So these are the events we shall be looking forward to, and as always, we want to see how the market will be anticipating this event around this current structure we have identified here. Trust me, I will be with you in the comment section of this video on Monday morning after monitoring how participants in this market will be reacting to this current structure. If you have found this content helpful and useful in making your independent trading decisions for this week, I would really appreciate your support by giving the video a thumbs up. Your likes are valuable to me and helps the algorithm promote the video to a wider audience of traders who may find the material beneficial. Thank you in advance for doing so. If you haven't already, I encourage you to follow me on this channel for more of this content. By subscribing, you will always stay updated with the latest ideas I share and receive notifications whenever I upload new videos and commentaries. See you all in the comment section on Monday morning as we get prepared for the new week. Do have a wonderful evening, everyone. Bye.